My dear brothers and sisters in faith, Assalamu alaikum. We gather today united by a common thread, our belief in Allah and His teachings. Life as we know it is a journey, a continuous process of learning, growing and evolving into the best versions of ourselves. It's a path paved with challenges and triumphs, moments of joy and instances of sorrow. But through it all, our faith serves as our compass, guiding us towards a destination of peace, fulfillment and spiritual enlightenment. This journey of self-discovery begins with recognizing our purpose, to worship Allah and to fulfill our potential as human beings. The Quran reminds us, "And I, Allah, created not the jinn and mankind, except that they should worship me alone." Quran 51:56. We are created with a unique set of talents, abilities and aspirations. Our purpose is to nurture these gifts, to strive for excellence in all that we do, and to contribute positively to the world around us. This journey is not always easy. We will face obstacles, encounter setbacks, and experience moments of doubt. But it is in these moments that our faith is truly tested, and it is through these trials that we emerge stronger, more resilient, and closer to our Creator. Remember the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The strongest believer is not the one who is the best wrestler, but the one who is best at controlling himself when he is angry. So let us embark on this journey of self-discovery together, hand in hand, supporting one another and drawing strength from our shared faith. Let us delve into the teachings of Islam, seeking guidance and inspiration to navigate the challenges of life and to unlock our true potential. Let us remember that this life is but a temporary abode, a stepping stone towards the eternal hereafter. And let us strive to live each day in a manner that pleases Allah, earning His mercy and blessings in this life and the next. At the heart of our journey lies faith, an unwavering belief in Allah, His messenger, peace be upon him, and the Day of Judgment. Faith is not merely a passive acceptance of religious doctrines, it is an active force that empowers us to face life's challenges with courage, determination, and hope. When we place our trust in Allah, we acknowledge that we are not alone in our struggles. We draw strength from the knowledge that He is with us every step of the way, guiding our steps, providing for our needs, and granting us the resilience to overcome adversity. The Quran reassures us, "And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits, but give good tidings to the patient, who, when disaster strikes them, say, 'Indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return.'" Quran 2:155-156. These verses highlight the importance of patience and perseverance in the face of hardship. They remind us that trials and tribulations are an inevitable part of life, but they are not meant to break us. Rather, they are opportunities for us to strengthen our faith, to purify our intentions, and to draw closer to our Creator. When we respond to adversity with patience and gratitude, we not only demonstrate the strength of our faith, but we also open ourselves to Allah's blessings and rewards. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Amazing is the affair of the believer. Verily, all of his matters are good for him. If he is happy, then he thanks Allah, and thus it is good for him. And if he is harmed, then he shows patience, and thus it is good for him." This profound statement underscores the transformative power of faith in shaping our perspective and enabling us to find good in every circumstance. By embracing a mindset of gratitude and resilience, we transform challenges into opportunities for growth and draw closer to Allah's mercy and guidance. Life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, ease and hardship, success and failure. It is in the face of challenges that our true character is tested, and it is through overcoming these challenges that we grow, mature, and discover our inner strength. The Quran reminds us, "Do the people think that they will be left to say, 'We believe,' and they will not be tried?" Quran 29:2. Trials and tribulations are not punishments from Allah. Rather, they are opportunities for us to prove our faith, to refine our character, and to earn His pleasure. Just as a seed must be buried in the darkness of the earth before it can sprout and grow, so too must we face challenges in order to blossom into our full potential. Each obstacle we overcome, each setback we navigate, and each difficulty we endure becomes a stepping stone on our journey of self-discovery. It is through these experiences that we develop resilience, cultivate patience, and learn to rely on Allah's guidance and support. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The greatest reward comes with the greatest trial. When Allah loves a people, He tests them. Whoever accepts that wins His pleasure, but whoever is discontent with it earns His wrath." This powerful reminder encourages us to view challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for spiritual growth and divine reward. It is through our willingness to embrace these tests with patience, perseverance, and trust in Allah that we draw closer to Him and earn His favor. Therefore, let us not shy away from challenges, but rather face them head-on, armed with the shield of faith and the sword of resilience. Let us view each obstacle as an opportunity to strengthen our connection with Allah, to refine our character, and to emerge from the crucible of adversity stronger, wiser, and more spiritually enlightened. Remember, with every hardship comes ease, and with every difficulty comes relief, and Allah is with the patient. In the tapestry of Islamic teachings, knowledge holds a place of paramount importance. It is the key that unlocks the doors of understanding, the light that dispels the darkness of ignorance, and the foundation upon which societies are built. The pursuit of knowledge is not merely encouraged in Islam, it is considered a sacred duty for every Muslim man or woman. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim." This profound statement highlights the transformative power of knowledge and its central role in our individual and collective growth. Knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions, to navigate the complexities of life, and to contribute positively to the world around us. It enables us to understand our purpose, to fulfill our potential, and to live in accordance with Allah's teachings. The Quran emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge from the cradle to the grave, stating, "Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know? Only they will remember endowed with understanding." Quran 39:9. The pursuit of knowledge is not limited to religious studies. Rather, it encompasses all fields of human endeavor that benefit humanity and contribute to the betterment of society. From science and technology to medicine and the arts, Muslims are encouraged to excel in all fields, seeking knowledge that uplifts the human condition and brings us closer to an understanding of Allah's creation. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The ink of the scholar is more sacred than the blood of the martyr." This powerful statement underscores the high esteem in which knowledge and scholarship are held in Islam. It is a call to action for all Muslims to engage in the pursuit of knowledge, to contribute to the intellectual and spiritual growth of our communities, and to illuminate the world with the light of understanding and wisdom. In the garden of Islamic virtues, kindness and compassion bloom as two of the most beautiful and fragrant flowers. They are the hallmarks of a true believer, the embodiment of faith in action, and the source of countless blessings in this life and the next. The Quran reminds us, "And speak good to people." Quran 2:83. This simple yet profound verse encapsulates the essence of kindness, treating others with respect, empathy, and consideration, regardless of their background, beliefs, or circumstances. Kindness is not merely the absence of cruelty, it is an active force that seeks to alleviate suffering, to spread joy, and to make the world a better place, one interaction at a time. It is reflected in our words, our actions, and even in our thoughts. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Kindness is not to be found in anything but that it beautifies it, and it is not to be removed from anything but that it spoils it." This beautiful hadith highlights the transformative power of kindness, its ability to enhance and elevate every aspect of our lives. Compassion, on the other hand, is the ability to understand and share in the suffering of others. It is the wellspring of empathy, the driving force behind acts of charity and service, and the foundation of a just and compassionate society. The Quran commands us, "And do good. Indeed, Allah loves the doers of good." Quran 2:195. This verse emphasizes that compassion is not merely a sentiment, but a call to action, urging us to translate our empathy into tangible acts of kindness and support. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a shining example of compassion. He treated everyone with kindness and respect, from the wealthy and powerful to the poor and marginalized. He taught that true piety lies not only in our relationship with Allah, but also in our interactions with His creation. Let us strive to follow his example, cultivating hearts filled with kindness and compassion, and extending a helping hand to those in need.